Right, this is my survival kit and everyday kit, and this is my get home bag kit, and I just wanted to show all the stuff that I have in here. Just going on the bag is a Snug Pack EXO 36 or something it's called. It's a 35 litre pack. On the outside, on this side, I've got a shovel, one of those little Chinese shovels. It's really good, it's really strong. You just got to keep it tied up. And on the other side, I've got a BK9 knife, which has its own sort of survival kit, a bit of fat wood, and a ferro rod. So that's on the outside. And this is my everyday carry sack. So I'll go through all the things in here that I have on an everyday carry. So the sack is a Kevlar bag that's used for animals, for keeping your food safe from animals' claws. So it's ripstop and hard wearing. So I've just got some documents. Got the dead skin leather sheath with the full bit kit, and Leatherman surge with the extender and all the bit kit and all the bits. So that's a great toolkit there. Some PVC tape, which is good for repairs. Some plastic bags, which are just good for rubbish. Got the Olight torch with the tactical bezel, and it's got a big grunty battery in that. And I just keep that on that because that stops the light going off unintentionally. So that's and in here I've got all my charging gear. Got my fast charge, got a fast charge cable, got a Leatherman crunch. I just can't do without the surge and the crunch. And I've got some spare, a bigger blade, and some headphones for the radio on the cell phone. So it's in there. I've got two buffs for they can be used as a headscarf, or for maybe a mask, something just handy having some cloth, and another handkerchief cloth. I've got some mini wipes, cleansing wipes, just good for those messes. A pair of glasses, just a basic pair of shades, some spare money. So that's all in my everyday kit. So now we'll have a look at what's in the bag, the big bag. So this is the BK9 that I carry. This is my survival knife. It's got a custom wooden scales, and I've done a bit of customization on it, and the custom sagewood leather sheath, and there's a survival kit in there that's got a torch, a lighter, needles, thread, some water purification tablets, and there's also a plastic bag in there. So this alone could be a standalone survival kit that has fire making capability, and a knife and lights and things like that. And then this is the I think it's the 5, what they call it, the 5. It's just one of these Chinese ones. It's got the knife and the ferro rod in here and that, so you can use there's a ferro rod down there and a whistle, and it works really well. The only complaint I got with this is it's a bit thin. This is narrow, and you get a bit of hand fatigue when you're digging a lot. It needs to be a bit fatter, I feel, in the handle, but it works all right. And It does the job. So I've got a little badge of my country. Got to be proud of your country. So I'm going to open it up. Got all the gear in here. I've got some wet wipes. Pretty handy. Some more wet wipes. Got a survival kit, safety first aid kit. Got a Leatherman wrapped in pair of scissors, and in here I got bandages, medication, just a good sort of boo-boo kit for all those cuts and scrapes and things. So that's good. This is my food pack. So this has got a whole pile of different food in it. Stuff I like to eat. So it's got these real meals, chocolate cake pudding. Just add hot water. I've got teas and sugars and electrolytes, chocolate bars, health bars and teas and coffees, oats and more teas and coffees, and noodles. I just like noodles, they're nice and easy, so just some noodles, different noodles, spoon, and another freeze-dried meal. Just add water. That's a real meal. Tom Kai Guy freeze-dried meal. So just a quick easy meal. Just a trash bag for added stuff. This is all my electronics. So I've got a phone. I've got a battery charger, multi-battery charger. Got another plug for USB powered stuff. There's also a solar panel and a little battery pack in there, and there's cables and spare batteries. So that's the charging kit. This is the Catadine water filter, the pocket water filter. So it's the whole kit's in there. It's all ready to go. Just need to set it up and so I can filter water. Just a little titanium pot, bit of rope in it, and just a gas, a little butane gas cooker. And this is the expeded bivy bag, and it's also adds as a poncho, so you can, and it's a two-person bivy bag, so it can fit two people, and it's just orange and it's just lightweight and it just keeps the wet off you. This is a two-person reflective thermal sleeping bag, so it just folds out, and it's just sort of this material. It's just got a reflective side on it that keep the heat in. So that's the bedding. So just pot lids, and in here I've got rope, just plenty of rope. And so in here we've got a gas canister, because around here you can't really light fires. So this is a usable kit. If I need to make a drink or something, I can cook some water, boil some water. Another pot, one of those long torque spoons, and then eco tanker, 2-litre mega tanker of water. Always could that fill up water, and it lasts really well in these stainless containers. And this is single line, so I could use this to boil water if I had to. Just another little knife, but I might just a little knife that I keep, one of my old carving knives. Survival SAS survival guide handbook for reading material and information. And this is a another solar panel. So that's my charging stuff. That's I think it's a 5 amp. Right, so the solar panel. Alright. And what else? I've got just a drop sheet tarp. And here I have a Friska's tree saw for chopping the trees, firewood gathering. In here I've got a little wood stove, a little hobo stove, one of those titanium hobo stoves that you put together. What else? One of those auger Scotch eye woodworking things. Just quite idea having that for wood repair. And what else? Pretty quickly, some gloves, a torch, headlamp torch, another carabiner. That's it. That's all the gear. That's all the gear fits in there. That's the kit. Thanks for watching. Good day again. Just wanted to quickly add what I got a kit in the car. So toilet paper, a bag, some binoculars, a torch, just some paint, touch up for the paint, and some napkins, some soap, some sunscreen, some poo bags for dogs, another big thing of water, got the blankets, bit of rope, bags, sunscreen, bit of windscreen, another first aid kit, got a high pressure pump, some super tape, some PVC tape, bit of random PVC tape, a 2.1, just a cheapo one for a USB charger. This is a battery boost, Schumacher battery boost that can do a V8, jumpstart a V8 engine. Got the fire retardant stuff, and more jump starter cables, tow rope, and slime tire sealant in case you get a flat. I think the only thing I'm missing here is I could do some more tools, some more tools, but I haven't quite sussed what to take. Anyway, that's